Hi everyone, Miss Shiri here. Welcome to World Culture. At the San Diego Children's Discovery Museum, we love learning about new cultures from all around the world. And this month we are continuing to explore Japanese culture as part of our Roots series, sponsored by the Nissan Foundation. We have a special activity this week because the museum is also celebrating National Chemistry Week. For the activity today, we will be making our very own dough to create sculptures inspired by the many Japanese sculpture gardens. Sculpture is a type of three-dimensional art that can be made using a variety of materials. Artists can create their pieces out of stone, wood, metal, or other materials. Throughout Japan, you will find many open-air museums that display these large pieces of art. With the art scattered throughout the grounds, viewers get the chance to enjoy the art while walking along paths in an outdoor setting. One well-known open-air museum in Japan is called the Hakone Open Air Museum, and it was actually the first of its kind to open in Japan in 1969. The museum is home to contemporary art and sculpture from artists all around the world. Now, let's learn about chemistry. Chemistry is the study of what everything in our universe is made of and the changes that take place when substances are combined. When two or more substances are combined, a certain reaction can happen. Reactions can create heat, bubbles, sounds, gases, and even smells. In this activity, we will be mixing ingredients together to create something new. Before we get started, can you make a prediction or a guess about what the dough will look like, smell like, feel like? I wonder what the dough will be like. The supplies that you are going to need to make your own dough to create your own sculpture are a big bowl to put everything in and for mixing, a measuring cup, a spoon for mixing all the ingredients together, salt, flour, some water, and if you would like to have your dough be colored, you will need food coloring to make the dough into different colors. In a medium-sized bowl, mix together 1 cup of flour and half a cup of salt. This is now a mixture, which means two substances are added together, but there's no reaction. Measure out half a cup of water and add it to the dry mixture. Measuring the right amount of ingredients is very important because more or less of something can result in a different reaction or product. If the dough is too sticky, you can add a bit more flour, and if the dough is too dry, add a bit more water. If you want to add some color, separate the dough into smaller portions so that you can make different colors. Add a few drops of the color you want to the smaller portions of dough. Use a spoon to mix so you don't dye your hands. You can even try mixing drops of different colors together to see if you can create a new color. Use your new dough to create a sculpture inspired by Japanese culture. You can store the dough in a sealed plastic bag to keep it from drying out. Thank you for joining me as we learned more about Japanese culture. Join me next time for more World Culture. Bye.